Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how you can import an image to FreeCAD. So let's get straight into it. So let's go and try to add picture into our project. So we need to go here to the tools, and then the third one right here is load an image like so. Now I see here that we have one available image here. Let's take a look what we can import. So, okay, we can also JPEG, really good. Okay, so let's try this one right here. So now we have imported the image, load image, Altium PG, okay, open, and here it is. We have successfully imported an image into FreeCAD. Now you will find it right here. Oops. So you will find that image right where it's hiding. Engine block. Ah, it's right here. Yeah, so I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.